keep facing login errors, timeout, please try again for TikTok using your iPhone? Hi there. Here's how you can solve the TikTok login error on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before you follow anything, please double check your username and password. Also make sure that you are connected to a strong internet by opening your browser and checking your internet speed. If you have issues with your internet, enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn it back off. Now check your internet issues. Now if this doesn't work, try the following process. Solution 1. Update your TikTok app. Open the App Store. Search TikTok. If you find any updates, then update the app. Now open the TikTok app and try to log it. Solution 2. Offload the TikTok app. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Now tap on iPhone storage. Find the TikTok app. Tap on it. Tap on the Offload the app button. Solution 2. Refresh the TikTok app background. Open Settings. Search in the search bar TikTok. After that, tap on TikTok and turn on or off the background app refresh option. After following all the processes, now try to log in to your TikTok account. Hopefully this will solve your problem. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.